Right, it's time for a mailbag now. You see I've got several items here, so we'll get into it. Right, first thing. Right, what's this supposed to be in here? Let's just read the invoice. Don't know. And okay. It's a pot. I think it's a 2-watt pot. It's quite stiff actually. Now it's only a single turn, and it's quite an expensive pot actually, so 224k. I think it's a 3-watt. I think it's what I could take. It's either 2 or 3 watts. Now this is for my capacitance leakage tester project. I need this as a variable voltage control, because this is going to have a bit of power going across it potentially if I use this. And I've got some more capacitors stocking up. 47 UF 400 volt. These are, I've got a bunch of these because I need some high voltage caps for my capacitor leakage project. So when I'm doing a voltage multiplier, I've got 400 volt caps in there which can take the voltage of the multiplier. I hope. We'll find out, won't we? Let's find out what this is. So when I took my vehicle down for my motorhome for a certificate of inspection, MOT for the UK, COF New Zealand, it's probably used in Australia as well. One of the things that put me up on is that I don't have any marker lights above the cab of the motorhome. And I said, oh, it should be, it should have markers above the cab closest to the corners, because the vehicle could potentially be more than 9.5 metres long if I'm towing a trailer, because I've got a tow bar on it. And I reckon it should have been picked up years ago when I fitted the tow bar, and it's the first time anything's ever been said. So I've got some marker lights. I've got some yellow ones and some white ones. It's a set of 10, so I always get spares because they never last forever. So at least when I do fail, there's a white one. At least when I do fail, it's easy to deal with. We've got mains cables. That's weird. Let's just turn one on, shall we? See what happens. Cables. No, these are good. Just looking at what I've got laying around which I can use. Right. So yeah, this should hopefully work. It's supposed to be a handle up to 30 volts. There's 24 volt system is going to be running on, so let's just get my power supply set up for that. If I can get to it, I've got so much junk on my bench right now. Yeah, let's just do 20 volts in case something horrendous is going to happen. Alright, since I don't actually know the polarity, I'll assume that blue is negative. Nothing. Maybe blue's. I could do it around, it would be helpful. Yes, it is. Okay, so there's the yellow one. Just got 4 LEDs in it. So 2 facing straight forward, 1 facing diagonally that way, 1 facing diagonally this way. Okay, so that's that one. At least that one works. suppose I should actually test them all, make sure it all works, shouldn't I? Especially if I install it. But I need 2 lights, but I've got a spare, a bunch of spares, and here's a white one. Alright, again, that's running on 24 volts, or 20 volts. Oh, so short the terminals out, that's even better. Yeah, so those 2 work at least. So I'll check them all on my own time. What am I about recording now? It's going to bore the hell out of you, isn't it? So, okay, that's those. I'm going to open this box up. As you can see, there's an ant running around in it, right? I've killed dozens of ants. I think they've all gone into this thing when it's in my mailbox. So I'll keep killing ants. So I'm expecting to find some more when I open it up. Yeah. You can see where I'm squashing it. Got a few that are inside. Here you go. There's some ants inside it. Yeah, got ants inside it. Of course it has. Right, what is this thing? Ah, okay. It's my new hard drive. I would say that's not particularly well packaged for a hard drive. You can see all the ants in that box. That's going to go back outside. Actually, I'll just spray it. Hold on. Before they leave the box, end up living in my house. Well, in my garage. Any more than they already are. So, I could have done better packaging than I did. So hopefully it's not affected it. Because this is another hard drive for my NAS, which I did a video on recently. And it's a expansion, because I'm already used 30% of my storage space, and it's a 4 bay NAS, and I've only put 2 drives in it so far. So this is if I can get the glare off it. I'm going to do that. Is that going to work? No, that's really bad. Yeah, I'll do something with that. Yeah, it works. So just another SATA hard drive, but this one is a 8 terabyte hard drive, Iron Wolf. This is designed for NAS systems. So it's not the same as the last ones. I've got Western Digital Red drives, 4 terabyte drives, which are fine. But when I was going to a bigger drive to supplement that whole storage system, if I'm going to add another one, ain't going to be a big one. This works out the most cost effective. This has got a 256 megabyte cache on it as well. So it's a grunchy drive. I think it's 7,200 revs as well. Don't think it says it on there. Not that I can see, but I believe it's 7,200 revs as well. So it's a fast drive. Is it SATA 6 or something like that? So 6 gigabyte a second, 1 gigabit a second. I don't know what the rate is. So that's going to go in my NAS. Now that's arrived, I'll go and put it in soon. Oh, let's see what this is. I'll cut it. Oh. Right. This is a new MacBook charger. Be careful, it may become hot. There's an Apple logo under there. I can feel it. I don't know if this is actually a legitimately real Apple charger or if it's a knockoff. I can feel a logo under there. It's just it says Apple on here. Maybe it is a real Apple one. I don't remember what I bought. I think I probably did buy it as a real Apple charger, and it appears to at least be representing itself as an Apple charger. Let's just try and have a closer look at this. Interesting. So it's got those markings there and these markings here. I'm not sure the original's got both lots. Maybe it does. Anyway. Checking the wording, checking the spelling, those kinds of things. It appears to be legitimate, which is great. So if I can remember where I got this from, I'll chuck a link in if I remember to. And yeah, it's got Apple logo on it. I believe it's real. I cannot fault it anyway. So yeah, I'll chuck a link in if you need a MagSafe connector for your laptop. If I didn't buy it locally, I can't remember where I got it from actually. But yeah, it's got taper in there as well. It looks fine. I think it's real, which is awesome. Another ant. Oh, it's gone. Got to spray that mailbox again. So in here is a whole bunch of ceramic fuses. They're just ceramics, not considered to be HRC fuses and all that. These are just ceramics. So I've got a range here. Now the reason I've got this is that there's a 12 amp one right there, ceramic. I need to replace the one that I blew in my Siglent multimeter with another 12 amp to replace the original, and hope that it's actually better. And what I put in there was I think I put a 10 amp standard glass fuse in it, so at least with a ceramic it's going to be a bit more, should withstand it a bit more, but who knows what the quality is like of these. So I'll drop one of those in and return it back to at least some kind of semblance of standard. Right, if you like the mailbag, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already. If you want links to anything which I haven't put down below, then let us know and I will look it up and add it in. I'm only doing it if I've got time to do it at the moment, so I don't have a lot of time at the moment. I've got lots of things on, so yeah, anyway, catch you later.